Will they come back? Yes, so now welcome back. Now see BOBOS Yambe there's on top this Obonga TV session with the song you all the church and things them daily. Don't forget, say BOBOS Yambe following your TV screen from Monday to Friday by 11 p.m. Make it do it in. May we just did there your night tonic. Now we talk about many matters where they consign us inside Obodo Nigeria today for bad because if you consign our economy, it will consign your relationship. How can you rock when the economy is 40?
Now that Lassa fever.
Yeah, they worry you.
Because no,
Because
they mention some states which I don't really remember where the thing they now.
Okay.
Bauchi,
Plateau,
Calabar. It's in Calabar, yeah.
Is it Calabar?
Then I say
yes,
don't
yes,
enter Lagos too.
No,
Now the
not
latest
enter
is
Lagos.
just yeah. Now the
You know
latest
the
is
rat full Lagos.
now the latest is
No, we
just
say
enter
rat there
Lagos.
everywhere.
But Lagos
But
rat. Lagos rat. I never see them on most places. Lagos rats, they big well.
Talk of island rats.
And for me, the only thing I can tell
There's
people.
no rat on the island.
You know why? You know why? Let me tell you, it is also very because I know say some of us, we guys, we love to want to impress a girl, and when the girl come, we are touching this one, touching here. If the girl has fever, you go and solve fever out of the. You have to be very careful. When you are giving her a drink, Shakara, let's clean the top of the can.
That's why
or use straw. You understand? Or they wash it because you know say when rats don't go poop on top of them. You understand? Most all this way they buy all these supermarkets most times. I don't make that mistake. If you buy anything from supermarkets, it don't day for stuff or Lord. You know how many rats they day inside supermarket? Even in the biggest one where you know
Yes,
where the rats they roam around. So all those nights when light no day, rats move around. When they climb on top of all those containers, they poop on top. So whenever you want to drink anything, you make sure say you go because we love the ladies. We love the ladies.
This last time
now guys even careless pass.
Yes.
Most ladies, they always they careful most time.
No thing like that. Girls can package because they see you there. I do know it shocked me the amazing things when girls feel they do. And I will say if I come I go talk am. And I hope whoever it is they watch am. But do you know some girls when they form church girls, they form born again, they form everything. If you enter a girl's house, you know that if you go her house now, enter her living room, you don't go know anything. But if you really want to know who a girl is, enter her toilet. Most girls, they smoke inside their toilets. But they do when they come outside, they form as if they see they smoke. You are a bad guy. Hey, you are this. They smoke. I saw it this whole weekend outside because don't be saying anything, but a lot of ladies were telling me to.
You go
I go people go visit some people just sit down.
No, now you go visit or you go Kwakangina.
I told you.
I don't understand.
You go visit.
You go preach.
And you go to their toilet.
Excuse me now.
Kaje
Let me
Kwanangida.
explain now.
Kaje Kwanangida.
Kwanangida money. I just went to, you know, say the ministry is you have to visit people, the widows,
because we know you are meant for the widows
the less
and the less privileged.
the single mothers and all the rest, you know. So I go. So you know, in the bid of say, you know, I didn't like visits. So they go say, come and see my bedroom, come and see my bathroom, and I love decoration. I like to see lovely things, you know. So
from as you are seeing the lovely things you are touching, cranking things are coming.
no, and I like to be very inquisitive. So me, I dey like go and I dey open their fridge, and the amount of booze where they see inside some of the girls in the fridge, I can't dey wonder. So why all these girls will come when they come? You understand? They'll come. They people
No,
come
I've
public.
said it before. Now time without number. That men are like dogs. You understand? A dog can just they waka piece. What I'm go raise one leg.
Raise one leg. You understand? Yes.
Cat one piece. Nobody don't see where cat the piece before.
That's true.
You understand?
You mean pussycat or which one? You mean pussycat?
I mean cat.
Any cat.
Which cat? Pussycat or this? There are different kind of cats.
Showman. I said cat.
I have seen a pussycat pee before.
Okay, if you say
I've seen pussycat pee.
Now you know the way they talk.
Excuse me.
I'm talking about
Have you seen a pussycat pee before?
My brother, I say cat.
Ugo. You never see pussycat pee before?
never see.
Hey, Jesus. SHAKARA,
go see what.
I'll go.
So no pussycat pee where you're from before?
For where?
Juwon, you never see pussycat pee before? Juwon, you never see pussycat pee before? He has seen. Oh, Bishop. He has seen.
Guys.
So what I'm just saying is that I don't like people to be fake. I don't like it.
Showman, away from that, because me and my friends will debate this thing small. But I don't know on our own take. Now, FIFA Ballon d'Or, they give Messi. Because I know they want to say Messi winner. Let me watch my word.
They say then give.
Then give
Go ahead and
Messi,
finish.
you understand?
Yes.
The reason why I use the word say then give Messi, I see this season way past and this past year, I see Ronaldo as a very strong contender of that
Ballon d'Or.
Okay, so can I come in now?
Yes.
I love football. You know, I love football, and I love to analyze football. But when did they always want to give award like that? It still be like this Ricardo Banks and
Lil Kesh.
Okay. And I will digress if I come to that one because I want people to know that fact before we won't leave them. People they shout say Lil Kesh supposed win, and a lot of people when we dey on radio, and people they call him. We ask them one simple question. How far away they represent the streets or they go say na the streets, you understand? Lil Kesh street. You vote, they go say we no vote. A lot of streets people no go vote.
You cannot compare that to Ballon d'Or because Ballon d'Or.
That's that one.
Every
So that's
official
they
vote. Every official
Now
they
for
vote.
Ballon d'Or, last season, Real Madrid did not do well. Real Madrid did not carry even
Now collective effort they take win this thing now. Not be individual brilliance.
Why do you think
Messi
till now Messi is still debated as not the greatest? They say they call Maradona because he has not carried Argentina to the World Cup and as they carry the cup. Now only that thing they stand between Messi. We all know that Messi is the best. I like two of them, but I love Ronaldo more. Just because of his style and the rest. But Ronaldo don't win the other last season. Messi won in 2012 last.
You know how many goals Ronaldo scored this past season?
Messi is right now.
You know that
Messi scored more last season than overall of the whole La Liga
right
ever.
now is on 500 goals for Real Madrid.
No, this season now, you understand? Ronaldo looks more like. Let me tell you why.
Ronaldo scored five goals in a match.
Let me tell you why it will be hard to have given a Ronaldo last season. Because they always check him. If you want to check, we have players that Aguero them we do well inside this thing. Even today, we no win African player in a para because he has been winning for the past 3 years.
And don't forget, say get one time when Messi get injured that last season.
No, Messi had injury little and he still came back and did well. And Barcelona won La Liga last season. Barcelona won Champions League. If now you, why you won't carry another person? And Messi was in there. Any season where Real Madrid win Champions League or La Liga.
When Messi go injury, how long?
You know, like, I think 1 month,
a month plus.
a month. Only 2 months, and he came back and he still pick up and they carry everything. Then Real Madrid don't sack like 2 or 3 coaches last season to show how they were struggling last season.
But the guy has never failed.
He wasn't.
He never play match.
They even get rumors of when that time when Ronaldo be one leave come England because he wasn't having a good time last season. Now the time that way he wasn't having a good time. They won't leave. Now now wake up now. Wait till I say he will say under his watch Ronaldo will not leave Real Madrid.
I bet we sharply do another break. I bet when we come back, we see they talk the matter. They go no go anywhere. When they come back. So now welcome back. Nasi BOBOS and with the talk here inside bar today. I beg our social media portals you run through your screen. Make una follow us talk. Any observations where you get or anything where you want follow us talk, make you put them there. Sharply for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even send us email. Then I beg follow us for Twitter. The 3 of us did there. May you follow us talk. We get at MC SHAKARA for Twitter. We get at SHOWMAN Bosco for Twitter, and we get Matthews Ugo for Twitter, and also for Instagram, and the same names we they use. Make una they follow us so that we go they follow and they interact one-on-one. Now,
before you go on, sorry, in case anybody also, because I know we get a lot of fans and people they always for like maybe one call inside the bar, one talk with us. You feel let us know, drop them, but for me, I don't like give you, but I prefer to see the ladies come inside here, and if you are even if you are a lady, I'm just saying, I say for me. I say for me now. I say for me. You because you want the guy.
The guy, if you walk home. Also,
I know you love the guy.
Drop your message. Tell us who you want come.
From my own side, I say ladies. From you say the men. Then you say everybody bisexual. So all the same hand. So this is obviously a lesbian, and this is the gay, and this is the bi.
Your head.
I'm a lesbian. I'm kind of loud. And you say you want the men. I say I want the ladies.
No,
you say you want the men.
No, you straight. You never be lesbian. I do girls.
I am the lesbian here.
No,
I only do strictly ladies. That's all. You say you want make men come the show, so you are gay. He say, you know, they do both, swing both ways. So
meanwhile, get what you been talk. Say, yeah, sorry, the para.
Yeah, today the para, they don't give them
The African, the CAF.
No.
CAF award.
Why in the?
I don't know who they
In
give.
the para,
Now this guy now.
Aubameyang they give now.
Aubameyang from Gabon. Where they play for
When they play for Borussia Dortmund. Now
The guy, that guy is on fire. Now because say we dey watch only Premiership.
Now me also they know.
Where did they show? What the Colorado did?
No, say wait.
I mean, Yaya.
Yaya Toure has been one of the fantastic.
But last season,
this
we
guy.
passed so this Aubameyang guy was
and then
on
he also
fire.
points to the fact that last season Man City also don't carry Premier League. So you see, but that's why they fit to go look all these things and then no.
Then apart from say carry anything, this Odion Igalo for Watford, if he
Now,
they
Igalo
on
that
fire,
they give.
no, if he they on fire
If
like
Igalo
this,
they on fire till this thing, then we are sure we can give our Igalo.
of course.
But Igalo should prove to us in the Olympics that he can do it. He's going to the Olympics.
Yes.
So if he can go there, that guy, make him not just carry injury, because the way that boy they play, he pull leg for every ball.
I beg. They don't need.
And my team is playing tomorrow.
Manager don't dey follow.
yes,
We are playing
Arsenal were playing against Liverpool.
Against Liverpool,
Yes.
we shall trash them. And they shall stand alone.
Let's hope
From
for
me,
the
it's
best.
good night.
I beg we'll leave it now like this. We go see you again tomorrow. We'll come follow us, talk the matter. I beg, make una remember social media portal.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.